Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In this video, we'll walk through how to extract job listing data from Glassdoor using Python, Playwright, and LXML. You'll also learn how to bypass request rate limits and avoid being blocked with the help of Proxies. Let's get started. We'll be using Playwright because it offers scalable and efficient scraping. Thanks to its headless mode, native support for automated interactions, and smooth proxy integration, Playwright is a great fit for extracting data from dynamic websites like Glassdoor. For this tutorial, we'll be working in Visual Studio Code as our main editor. You'll find the full setup instructions and the code used in this video in the description below. To begin, make sure that you have the required libraries installed. Run the following commands in your Python environment: pip install Playwright and pip install LXML. We're using the asynchronous version of Playwright. Since browser interactions and network calls require waiting for page loads and server responses, async execution ensures everything runs smoothly. Proxy integration plays a key role here. It makes our scraping traffic look like it's coming from a real user, which significantly reduces the chance of being blocked by Glassdoor. Once the page is fully loaded, we use LXML to parse the HTML content and extract job-related data. This gives us a structured dataset directly from the website. All the extracted listings are saved to a CSV file for further analysis and storage. Now keep in mind, Glassdoor, like many modern websites, has protections in place against scraping, including rate limiting and CAPTCHA challenges. That's why using proxies is essential. By rotating requests through different IP addresses, proxies help distribute traffic and reduce the chance of hitting request limits. This not only improves stability, but also allows you to scale your scraping efforts effectively. In Playwright, proxies are configured using the proxy parameter within the chromium.launch method. Here, you'll provide the proxy address, port, and credentials if authentication is required. Once everything's set, we launch the script in async mode using Playwright. When the scraping process completes, you'll see a file named glassdoor_job_listings.csv. containing all the collected job data. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.